Anyway, welcome back to our channel. You know, it's a girl Kavian and I'm Yalonde here today, right? So from the size down below, yes guys, it's no prank, it's real. Anyway, let's jump into the video. Nervous. I don't know why I'm so nervous, you know. Guys, come on to the channel. I'm going to do a video. I don't know why I'm so nervous. I'm going to tap it. I'm so nervous. Anyway, before we jump into the video, all my new subscribers, welcome. My name is Kavian and this is Girl from TV. You know, I'm working on the channel. And yeah. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave the thoughts in the comment section. And I'm going to post in the post notification bell. Because you know, Merry Christmas and a happy 2022. So, anyway, so guys, I don't know if we start. Let's see. Yes. Anyway, so guys. This was in October, right? And it's like, you know, home periods. You know, when if you come and remember, if you don't remember the flag of the person in the country, remember at the ending of July, right? August finish. So I say, alright then, we know it's still that will come at the ending of August to the 1st September. No period. Nothing. So I say, alright then, when my period it may miss. I probably miss a month. I miss a cycle, I should say, right? And maybe I'll take it for nothing. As me say, based on my situation, me I say me not take it for nothing because it will come the other months. And really there I talk about it and I say it will come when it will come. I say, and you know what else again kind of draw me attention? My I mean, if the person know me live with my sister, yeah. I say, what normally if my one come this week, by the next week now, my sister won't come. Then me not say no, fear won't come now. Me I say, no go on for me now. Me I say, alright then. In September, so July it a roll over, so July to August. Then at the ending of August to September, no more see it. And then me I say, alright, me I watch it till September finish. The September finish, me say to base the day, me I watch it till the first week of October. Boom! First week of October come and pass, no period. But in them time, I don't feel no way, I don't feel sick, but they just like eat. Telling me that I eat enough. As you can see in my birthday vlog, you can see me have a lot of weight gain on my face and something. So I that eat a lot from them time there. And if you don't see me looking as well, there's a lot of camera here as well. So I say, alright then, bam. I eat everything alright. I say at the first it will sound a little bit short, but you can just listen to me and say and we follow. Just follow along. Right? And I don't want this video too long either. Anyway, I say alright then. First week of October come, I lay down in here and I say, babe, it's like say I forgot to take a pregnancy test. And I say to him, no, I'm not pregnant still. I say, yeah. But no, like the first week of October finish, I go work. I was looking about a overseas work, right? Sending passport, everything, all the information they send in and everything. So then I work as a actor and I'm a co-worker. nice friend, come on, big up herself. She asked me, I talk to her about it, and I say, no, Ray. And she said, girl, go and go do take a pregnancy test. Like, we go for lunch, like, I think when I found out it was the 5th of October, and in that same month, my grandmother passed away. Rest in peace, mama. And me, I said to myself, say, alright, she said, you know, I want to take it and say the pregnant Ray, and she excited and all them something there. So I went over the business center that I was working in New Kingston at the time. I went over the business center and I purchased 2 pregnancy tests. Hold on. Alright, see them here. Still have them, you know. I purchased these 2. If I can't see it. I purchased this. I'm purchased that one here. And if I can't see them, yeah. Purchased the 2 of them. Right? Purchased them 2 here and over the business center in the bathroom. The bathroom is spacious and nice. So I never worried. At the time, I just want to figure out what is going on. I just want to know where I am at. I'm going in there, right? And sit down, you know. There are pharmacy, explain the cells, and then give me the 2 cheapest one. So the first one I take was this, right? And if I can see, right, this. It never come out that strong. And I say, oh my god. I'm telling me now, wrap my head around it. I say, and I said, I can't come close and show now. Alright, this is how it look. The first one, this was how it look, right? So my text there, send me the picture. They say, you couldn't wait till me reach, you couldn't wait till I reach. I said, no, me need that. Me need me break for rest. Couldn't wait, and I say, these 2, you know, come out good, but I said, baby, come on, I said, if you come from when and it not coming on. And I say, alright. I say, I have a second one. I'm going to come home. I'm going to insert. Alright, after I show you this, you can around everything. After I show you that one here, I'm going to insert the clip when we try it in the bathroom. So I'm going to come home and try the one here. The one here less than, yes, see eh? Less than couple seconds. Not even 5, them say wait 5 minutes. Less than couple seconds. 2 light them come red. You know guys, the 2 lights them come red. Come red like I'm excited. You know, as me say, I'm gonna put in a clip here. I'm gonna put it in after here. So I'm excited like huh? What? I'm like, oh god. So yeah, so that's how I found out. Yeah, that is how I found out. And guys, let me tell you something. Fast forward before me find out, right? One day I was at work, you know, and go on lunch. Me eat my lunch, everything alright. Pops now. Just eat my lunch, come off a lunch and go back on the production floor. And we sit on the railway station and my co-worker come and say, I said, boy, I watch baby in a belly. Them time that I never know that I was pregnant. And my friend say, yes man. Yes, my friend, you're gone. He said, don't call her no baby pregnant for me, I'm not pregnant. And little bit old, I was actually pregnant and I did not know. And for the month of August, like I said, my period was the last period I have. It was from July going into August. So at the ending of August, my period should have started, and then it will go over to September, which I would say from September 1 month straight, I haven't seen any period. So I was actually pregnant from those time, and I did not know, I did not have any symptoms and stuff like that. Alright, so I'm going to insert a picture here. Like I find out on the 5th of October, I went to the doctor. I think the the weekend, which was a Saturday. I don't remember. It was a Saturday though. I don't remember it was the same following week or it was the other week. I don't remember. But I remember the date exactly when I get it done in the bathroom. It was on the 5th of October. And then I went to the doctor on Saturday. So I'm going to insert a picture here. Anyway, I went to the doctor and the doctor said, okay, I'm going to send you to do an ultrasound. I went to the ultrasound, I think the first week of November. Yeah, that is when I went to the ultrasound. And I'm going to insert a picture here when I went to the ultrasound, and you can see my nice bundle of joy. Even up until that moment, I still never like wow. Billy was so excited while me I try to figure myself out if me feel excited or me feel upset or if you feel away. It's like me just did wrap my head around it. This was my first ever pregnancy, first everything, so me just did that kind of wrap my head around the whole thing. Yeah, but no, I get better at everything. I will just also give you some how I feel for the first trimester. Right now I am in my second trimester, guys. I think you're not gonna see this video after. I think this is going to be the first video you're going to see. Then you're going to see our gender reveal, and then I think you will see even video, of course, and then you will see the baby shower, and then you will see other videos. Yeah, I'm excited to post more video. Then try my best to be consistent for 2022. For y'all guys don't know, I am still working on being monetized. I'm not yet monetized, so I'm gonna try go hard for 2022. You know? Yeah. So guys, may I beg you to share these videos to your friend, your family, and your loved one. Everybody does share the video so we can get some more views, and if you don't want to drop on the video suggestions also, we can also do that as well. So back to the video. As I said, I don't want this video too long. Yeah, because I don't want to keep too long either. So in the meanwhile, I drop get on a popcorn, look at trips or whatever, and just sit back and relax and watch the rest of the video. Yeah, so my first trimester, I would say I found out that I was pregnant at 10 weeks. Yeah, 10 weeks, 1 day to be exact. And the first time we had baby heartbeat, whoa, like I was like, oh, Kaviana really pregnant? Like Kaviana really carry a human being? Yeah, that was my reaction. We have mixed emotion. But like literally, I've been through something back in 2017. I mean, that the kind of trigger me really scared me. So she said, child. But even up until today, I'm still nervous. Yeah, I'm still Yeah, but me still I tell 1 and 2 people same way. So my friend them will never reach out and say, hey, I don't know about that feel no way. Zion, Pepsi, and me. Anyway, yeah. So as me saying at the first trimester, it was me mostly like nausea. Nausea was my nausea. Whoa, that I couldn't eat egg, chemical, perfume. Even up until now, the chemical part kind of not so bad again, and the perfume you can't use no high scent perfume. You have to use little or no perfume. Anything too sweet or too strong, it affects me. Brushing my teeth, oh my god. Brushing my teeth is the worst thing ever, even up until now. As soon as I start brushing my teeth, as I do some research on myself, when you're pregnant you have gum bleed. Even if I barely but touch my mouth, I start vomit. Even if I try to brush my tongue, I start vomit. Oh my god. I have to brush my teeth like 4 times. Once I get home, I have to brush my teeth like 4 times for the day, because I don't know if it's a hormone or what. But as soon as I eat anything, my mouth starts to taste bad, my tongue starts to feel away, so I have to brush it before I use some Listerine. If not a Listerine and I can't, but I have to brush it again, I will use like some toothpaste and wash out my mouth. But that was my first trimester, so I couldn't eat boiled egg, I couldn't eat fried egg. Chemical, couldn't manage that. Perfume, I couldn't manage that either. And what else? What else we couldn't manage again? You said that really and truly, and then too, based on the work I do, I sit all day. You have to have a lot of sweetie. Peppermint tea bag up until today is my best friend, my husband, the friend from my husband. And ginger sweet tea and sweet was my best friend. Every day I'm there to work at them. None have no sweetie, none have no sweetie yet. That is what kept me through my first trimester. To be honest with you, since I found out that I was pregnant, I maybe missed work maybe like 2 half a day, 1 full day. 2 half a day in the month of November. 1 full day in the month of November. And some half a day in the month of October. Like I said, I did not know I was pregnant in October, so sometime maybe 2 days I went home half a day because I was really out of it. And now may I tell you, say one day I went to work and I not talking with nobody, like attitude, like we just need not talking. Them time them pregnant, I did not know. Anyway, I'm not going to keep you guys any longer. May I try remember if anything else affected me in my first trimester. I don't remember. But anyway, I just want to say thank you all for watching this video on my seed chop, and I know you guys are going to leave your congratulations down below. Thank you as well for that. And for 2022, I really want to do so much more on my channel, on our channel I should say, and try get out some better quality content for you guys, for you watch. You guys just share the video. It doesn't matter if I'm making money, I just like making videos. So I was still doing YouTube, even if my consistent, I was still showing you guys right? Because I just need memories. Anyway, yeah, try see if believe what anything else I'm gonna like to share with you guys. Oh, big shout out to Kimona and Shani, one of the artists. Shout out to on the first hour.